functional medicine is actually getting to the root cause of people's problems and reversing their diseases naturally. Functional medicine is like a tree. In the leaves of the tree, you have your diseases, which is diabetes, heart disease, cancer, weight gain, hormonal imbalances, arthritis, rashes, you name it. In traditional medicine, we used to just see the patient and give them a pill. Well, with functional medicine, that's not always the answer. We like to get to the root of the problem. We like to say, okay, how did this problem happen and can we reverse it? So the root of the problem, it could be anywhere from, of course, genetics, but it could be your diet, it could be infections, it could be the medications, it could be toxins, it could be pesticides, it could be stress, it could be genetically modified foods. So how we treat things more naturally with functional medicine is, yes, we may use medications, but the natural approach that we like to use is really working on people's diet. I like to do advanced testing to see maybe things that people are deficient in or having trouble digesting. Patients come in, we see what their issues are, we talk to them about their diet, and do a lifestyle change. One of the functional medicine treatments that we like to do is a detoxification. And a lot of people think, oh, detoxification, it sounds scary, but it's really not. It's really easy. And what it is just improving a diet, taking a supplement, and a medical food powder for about 10 days or sometimes a month if you're really toxic. And we have a way of doing a scoring to see. But we also do a body composition analysis. With that, we can tell if they're losing fat or losing muscle or building muscle or losing fat, which is the ideal way. You want to build muscle and lose fat. Basically, instead of seeing a patient and giving them a pill and say, okay, here you have this symptom, this rash, here, take a pill. Well, I don't want to do that. With functional medicine, we're actually able to get to the root cause and find out why that's going on and reverse that.